Hello everyone. Today we have a very interesting story about a lion and a mouse. By the end of this story, we will learn that kindness is never wasted. While we listen to the story, we will also learn some new words, how to make sentences with them. This will help us practice English in a fun and a funny way. So stay with us till the end. One day, a mighty lion was sleeping in the jungle when a little mouse accidentally ran across his paw. The lion woke up and caught the mouse. Ready to eat it, the mouse pleaded, "Please let me go, and someday I'll repay your kindness." The lion laughed, but decided to let the mouse go. A few days later, the lion got caught in a hunter's net. The mouse heard his roar, ran to him, and chewed through the ropes to free him. The lion was grateful and realized even small creatures can make a big differences. Today we also learn new words and sentences through this story. So keep listening, learning and growing. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in next story.